the mechanics of a loss and damage fund, if we put it very simply, is that there are countries that have historically been industrialized, and there are newly industrialized, countries that have benefited from the boom. You can take the likes of China. China has been booming in the past, at least 20 to 25 years, and has emitted significantly the greenhouse gases which are causing the stir currently. So part of those countries, they come into the mix in that they must be part of the contributors into the fund. And that fund is, as it is, needs to be worked out with regards to how to tap into the fund and how to contribute. But the pledges, we would expect that should start taking place at this particular conference.
Yeah, and G20 should pledge more than is expected. And I'm sure developing world would welcome more in the model of the fund, more grant making than loans. But the question remains, there's a target that we're chasing in terms of climate change, in terms of the rise in temperatures. We are already seeing that in Southern Africa currently, the El Nino effect, which is the hot and dry spell, has brought with us this summer higher temperatures than we're used to on average.
So I think the climate change, which is now at least, climate crisis and climate chaos, as well as, so we're seeing a lot more volatility as the climate is changing. And of course, the significant agreement that is being followed at this point in time is the net zero emissions by 2050, which is the Paris agreement, which at least, put down a lot of the bold moves. But having said that, we're seeing that most of the countries who committed even first to be in line to commit to the targets are starting to pull back. The indicators are not showing